Hi, I'm Bill Burden, President of Tuxton, China. I'd like to welcome you today to our first edition of Foodservice China 101. What I'd like to talk about today is the difference between edge chipping caused by faulty or improperly finished or fired Chinaware and Chinaware that has been chipped or broken due to rough handling. Generally speaking, most breakage that we see returned to us is caused by rough handling, and it usually takes place in the dishwashing area where the busboy or whoever's bringing the food back in takes the plate and bangs it down to knock the food off. So instead of doing that, what really needs to be done is take a scraper and scrape that food off into the waste container. So I think what you'll find is that if you take a little extra time in your operation to train some of your people to don't bang it, to scrape it, you're going to save yourself a lot of money in Chinaware replacement. What I'd like to do now is show you a couple of examples of pieces of china that have been broken due to rough handling, and also some china that has been broken because the ware was improperly finished or defective. What I have here is a piece that's been broken because it was defective. And usually what you'll see when you have a defective piece of china and you'll get a little flake or a chip like a fingernail that comes off of the front of the piece. Usually nothing on the back, just on the front. Here's a piece of china that's been broken due to rough handling, and you'll notice it has a pretty good size chunk out of the body, and on the back some further big chunks that have taken out. These are caused by somebody hitting the plate like that to scrape the food out and hitting it pretty hard. Next, I've got a couple of samples here that I'd like you to be able to see what type of force it takes to cause a chip from a defective piece that's been improperly finished and just a normal piece that is properly finished and fired. What I've got here is this improperly finished piece of china, and you can see that just hitting it like that takes a chip, right? A little fingernail-sized chip right out of the china. So what I have here is a couple of plates that are properly formed, finished, and fired that I'll bang together, and you should be able to see the difference in force that it takes on a normal, properly formed and finished piece. So you can see I'm hitting them similar to was on the other piece. Nothing's happening. Now I'm going to increase how hard I hit these, and you'll see that finally, really hitting it hard is when I can get a big chunk like this out of the plate. So once again, this has been a demonstration about the difference between edge chipping caused by faulty or defective product and edge chipping that's caused by rough handling in your operation. So remember, take some time, educate your employees to scrape it, don't bang it, and you're going to save yourself a lot of money in your operation. Thank you for watching. We hope you found this information useful, and if you'd like to see our entire library of Foodservice China 101 videos, check out our website and YouTube channel.